Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turbocharge your Toyota 86. Turbocharging is a fantastic way to unlock serious power from your car's engine. It forces more air into the combustion chamber, leading to a significant increase in horsepower and torque. For the Toyota 86, this means transforming its performance and delivering a much more exhilarating driving experience. It's a popular modification for those seeking a substantial power upgrade. When considering a turbo kit, you'll need several key components. The turbocharger itself is central, compressing air to boost power. An intercooler is vital to cool that compressed air, preventing detonation and improving efficiency. You'll also need an upgraded exhaust system to handle the increased flow and a robust fuel system to deliver the necessary fuel. Finally, an engine management system is essential for precise tuning. Installing a turbo kit is a complex process, and professional installation is strongly advised to ensure everything is done correctly and safely. After installation, custom ECU tuning is absolutely critical. This optimizes your engine's air-fuel ratios and ignition timing for the new setup, maximizing power and reliability. You might also consider supporting modifications, such as a stronger clutch or upgraded brakes, to handle the increased power output. After turbocharging your Toyota 86, you can expect impressive performance gains. Many kits can boost horsepower by 50 to 100% or even more, significantly increasing your car's acceleration and overall speed. Torque will also see a substantial increase, making the car feel much more responsive. To maintain this enhanced performance, regular maintenance, including frequent oil changes and careful monitoring of engine parameters, is absolutely essential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.